In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a notification bar to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable bar at the top of your page to highlight announcements, promotions, or important updates without touching complicated code. First, we'll create the notification bar itself. Open the notification bar widget on Common Ninja and craft your message. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented, so visitors immediately understand what to do. Choose your style and colors with contrast in mind. A bold background with readable text works best. If you're adding a button, set the link to the exact page you want people to visit. Make sure the bar looks good on mobile too by checking font size and spacing, and avoid placing any personal or sensitive details in the message. When your design looks right, save it and grab the embed. Click Save Changes, then Add to Website. Copy the generated embed code, which will be a small HTML JavaScript snippet. This is the only piece you'll need for ClickFunnels. Keep that tab open for easy access, and, if you plan to reuse the same bar on multiple pages, remember you can paste the same code wherever you want it to appear. Next, head into ClickFunnels and open the funnel step where you want the bar. Click Edit Page to launch the page editor. Decide where the bar should live. Most people place it at the very top, so it's the first thing visitors see. If you later want it across multiple steps, you can repeat this on each page or incorporate it into a reusable section. Inside the editor, click Add New Element where you want the bar, then choose HTML/code or custom HTML/JS. Paste the embed code exactly as you copied it. No extra characters or formatting. Place the element in a full-width area at the top and reduce any extra padding or margins so the bar sits flush. If you already have a sticky header, make sure the bar appears above it, or adjust spacing so nothing overlaps. Now save your changes and preview the page. You should see the notification bar render with your message and, if added, a working button. Test it on mobile and desktop and click the link to confirm it goes to the correct destination. If you don't see the bar, double-check that the code saved in the HTML element, that the element is visible on all devices, and try a hard refresh or incognito window to bypass caching. That's it. Anytime you want to tweak the text, colors, or link, make updates in Common Ninja and save, your live page will reflect the changes without re-embedding.